As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing two Charbroil 2-burner gas grills today, right? The Classic Series, B01HM7BUY8, and the Performance Series Amplifier, B08HJN2SC5.
Yep, that's the plan. I'm curious, what are the big differences besides the price? The performance one is significantly more expensive, isn't it?
Absolutely. The Classic is around $139, while the Performance Amplifier is closer to $400. A big difference is the cooking technology. The amplifier uses infrared cooking, which Charbroil claims leads to juicier food and fewer flare-ups.
Interesting. So is that just marketing hype, or does it actually make a difference?
Well, the customer reviews are generally higher for the Performance model, with a 4.4 rating versus 4.1 for the Classic. People seem to like the even heat distribution and how it cooks meat, though some dislike cleaning it.
Makes sense. What about size? I have a smaller patio, so dimensions matter to me.
The Classic is slightly bigger overall, at 45.6 inches wide. The Performance model is a bit narrower, at 44.5 inches. But the Performance actually has a larger primary cooking area, 310 square inches compared to the Classic's 280. Plus, it has a 95 square in warming rack.
Okay, so more cooking space in a slightly smaller package. Got it. What about the BTU rating? Is one more powerful than the other?
The Classic has 20,000 BTUs, while the Performance is rated at 18,000 BTU. But BTU isn't everything. Remember, the Performance uses infrared, which is supposed to be more efficient.
Right, so it might get hotter even with fewer BTUs. What else? Any other key differences?
The Performance model has a cabinet to hide the propane tank, which is a nice aesthetic touch. It also has folding side shelves for compact storage. The Classic has a side burner.
A cabinet is nice, so if I'm on a budget and just need a basic grill, the Classic is a good choice. But if I'm willing to spend more for better cooking and features, the Performance Amplifier is the way to go.
Exactly. It boils down to how much you value those features and cooking performance. And of course, how much you're willing to spend. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.